Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make yogurt ranch. To begin, grab 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. It provides a wonderfully creamy base. Next, add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for that essential tang. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil to bring a lovely richness to your dressing. This combination forms the perfect foundation for a delicious and healthier ranch. Now, let's infuse our ranch with incredible flavor using a blend of herbs and spices. Incorporate 1 tablespoon of dried dill, which is crucial for that authentic ranch taste. Then, add 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder to build a savory foundation. Finish with 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley for a touch of fresh, herbaceous goodness. These simple additions truly elevate the dressing. To perfect your yogurt ranch, seasoning is key. Start with 1/2 teaspoon of salt to bring out all the wonderful flavors, and add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper for a gentle warmth. If your ranch is too thick, gradually whisk in 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk until it reaches your preferred consistency. Always taste and adjust any seasonings to ensure it's perfectly balanced for your palate. Once your yogurt ranch is mixed, chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. It's fantastic as a dip for fresh vegetables or a light, creamy dressing for your favorite salads. You can store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days. This recipe makes approximately 1 1/2 cups of delicious, homemade yogurt ranch.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.